I am your Sandeep sir and you are watching your YouTube channel MLT Tutorial by Sandeep sir. It is your channel because many times I have told you that you just pass the comment what video you needs, and all the information I am putting you as a guide, as a counselor, is ground zero information because I am in this hospital industry since last 35 years in different positions, and nowadays by last 20 years I am teaching medical students. So my dear students, all this information, mind it that like other counselor, I am not like the counseling other subjects apart from my subject. So because I am not a counselor, I am a teacher of the medical students. So take it as a ground zero information. And now for the class 12 pass students who have PCM, they have the many options like engineering. There are more than 3 lakh seats in India, which is nowadays not going to fill up all the seats. There are 25% seats are going vacant. And for the medical students who are aspiring medical, they have a very narrow job prospect, chance to get the chance in the medical. That is all the think about the MBBS. That is you have to crack the NEET. In the NEET there are very few seats. For the government college and for the private there is no matter because the costing is going 1 to 2 crores. So for the many students who are aspiring medicals, it is like the oasis in the desert. So don't run behind that oasis. I am going to suggest you some fine courses which can give a good establishment in your career. So now let us start that top 10 medical degree courses after 12 science. So the eligibility is that for the government institutes, they are asking for PCB combination or with English, PCB with English, and the private institutes allowed PCB as well as CBE, that is chemistry, biology and English. Some private institutes also allowed PCM, that is physics, chemistry, maths, and some private institutes allow CBB, that is chemistry, biology and biotechnology. Now the duration of the course is 3 to 4 years. 3 years there is 6 semesters, 3.5 years there is also 6 semesters plus half year internship. It is very useful where the internship is available. You should avail that option. I would suggest you that. And for the 4 years course there are 7 semesters plus 6 months internship. So in the last video we have discussed about the 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6 courses. Now in the course number 5, that is the critical care technology, all these past students are called nowadays that they are all medical technologists in the hospital. So critical care technologist is medical technologist bracket, inside the bracket CC, that is stands for critical care. So critical care technology is that subject which helps a patient who is critically ill, and apart from the normal nursing, he or she needs a special respiratory and other components that like manpower to help him. So like in this corona age, that is the ventilator, all of you much aware of that. In the ventilator room, the critical care technologist is appointed in a very large number, and apart from that they have a very job prospect in especially in the nursing homes which are run by 1 or 2 doctors, and when the doctors are not available, these critical care technologists are manage the entire nursing home. So they have very good job prospect, that is for the per 1000 patients, they have the job prospect of 10 to 15 numbers. For the pharmacy course, that is the B Pharma, B Pharma, that is the Bachelor of Pharmacy. B Pharma is the their main job is that manufacturing pharmacies. So it is defined in the pharma industry where they manufacturing drugs, research drugs. They working also as chemists in the hospitals and medical representative for the pharma industry or for the diagnostic industry also. So they have the very wide job opportunity for in the hospitals, in the medical shops, which are going to be mandatory in India, and for the pharma industry, and they can practice as an individual practitioner. So they have the good job prospect of about 12 to 18 per 1000 patients. So in the number 3 there is operation theatre technology. Operation theatre technology and perfusion technology is slightly differs by that operation theatre technology, medical technologist who is OT, that is operation theatre, in the operation theatre who prepare the apparatus before the operation. During the operation they assist the surgeon. In all types of operation he must have that knowledge that which instrument, which apparatus is now to be needed. And during this operation they also monitor the patient condition in the monitors, that is the cardiorespiratory monitors. So they after the operation, when the patient goes to their home, they also attend to the patient's home for the regular medical dressings. For that they charges 500 to 1000 rupees per sitting. So they have a good job prospect in the hospital and as an individual practitioner, as a medical dresser. So they have needed 15 to 20 numbers per 1000 patients. Number 2, in the number 2, that is the radio imaging technology, which covers the entire aspects of the X-ray, that is, and MRI, that is magnetic resonance imaging, CT scan, that is a scanning machine, and also as X-ray therapist for the cancer patients to kill the cancerous cell. So they can appoint as a medical technologist in the X-ray department, MRI, CT scan, or in the therapy department. They have the opportunity in the hospitals, in the diagnostic centers, and in the they can employ self-employed, and they can open their own diagnostic center for X-ray, MRI, or CT scan, whichever they can afford. So they have the job prospect for per 1000 patient is 20 to 25. And in the thumb, that is the number 1 position, that is medical laboratory technology, because the medical laboratory technology covers the entire laboratory medicine and transfusion medicine. In the course, that is in the description, you can find the video there, or in my channel you can find the video there where I have discussed, and again I have put that video in your for your ready information. That is the laboratory is mainly divided into 2 major parts, that is the laboratory medicine and transfusion medicine. Transfusion medicine is that part that is we commonly known as the blood bank. Other than blood bank, there is also plasma bank, and they have also a major role in the transplantation of the organs, for matching the organs. And in the lab medicine department, there are many separate divisions, like hematology divisions where the blood cells are studying, in the biochemistry where the blood components are estimated, clinical pathology where the excretory products are examined, like in the molecular biology where the corona PCR, RT-PCR test is going, and in the microbiology department where about the microbes like virus and bacteria are studying, in the serology, that is the serum antigen antibody are studying, These are the separate departments, and there is histopathology department where the blood, especially the biopsy material or the autopsy material, that is get from a suspected case of suicide or accidental case. So these cells are studied in the histopathology department. In this chapter, I will shortly put you a video for you. So in the lab medicine there are many departments, and in the transfusion medicine there is also 2 to 3 departments. So they have a good job prospect as a medical technologist in the lab medicine or transfusion medicine and in the separate departments. And as a quality control manager in the separate departments, there is technical officer in all the departments. So you just can imagine that how much manpower is required after such automation. The medical laboratory technology past personnel are required in a large volume, that is 50 to 60 per 1,000 patients. They have the job opportunity in the hospitals, in the diagnostic centers. They can self-employ, they can open their own laboratories, or they can posting in the blood bank, that is the transfusion medicine. So I think this video is very helpful for you. You should subscribe this channel to get the early notification by YouTube in your mobile, and share this video. Until my next video, goodbye.